Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Dr. Crypto is hosting you on these Bitcoin price daily updates. What is happening, guys, to the market? We see some kind of a hard rejection on the price of Bitcoin. Was it a surprise to you? Well, shouldn't be. If you were subscribed to this channel, I brought this kind of ascending channel to your attention. Okay, so you shouldn't be so much surprised. But before we will jump to it, and we will analyze it as much as we can. But guys, before we jump into it, let me thank everybody who subscribed to the channel, who was participating in the comments, letting us know about the other ideas. I really appreciate that. And guys, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I really would like to welcome you, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, please hit that like button for us, and please share your ideas in the comment down below. So guys, let's waste no more time. Let's jump into the charts. What is happening? This is on the daily Bitcoin, right? And we have this great green candle closure, and we have this new for today opening, and it's kind of very looking very ugly at the moment. I believe could be even worse, but we'll see. But why I'm saying it wasn't a surprise to me, because I showed you this channel, this ascending channel, since long time, and you should know that this wouldn't be easy to get to just smash and get back into it, right? I would really love to see that, but it didn't happen yet. Of course, there is plenty of hours left until we get close on this candle, daily candle, but still, if we remain in this place, that the shape would be the same as it is right now. I'm not, it doesn't look great, to be honest, right? I think you agree on this with me. So guys, let's move to 4 hours. I want to just see, look at it. We've been just watching this very much closely, and we put this box down in here that we said this could be a resistance. We are above this box, right? And actually we had a hard drop all the way, touch this box, and we are kind of getting some bounce back. But to me, I really don't care anymore about this box. I care more about this line, because this kind of a resistance could be anywhere. This kind of a resistance, we imagine some box down in here, but it could go a little bit higher and then just come back, retest it, fail, and go lower, right? So we cannot just say they are valid and we just put all of our money into the market and say, oh, we are above this guy, about this box, and we're gonna go long and that's it. No, it's not gonna be that way. So guys, we just got closer and closer to this trend line and we got rejection. What could be the scenario, guys? The scenario could be that we, for example, get another bounce in here, come until somewhere in here and get the rejection. This is one scenario that I'm looking closely. Another scenario is just what has happened, just continue, retest this box, getting some sideways and go down. This is another scenario. Or the best scenario, I think everybody in the market, moon boys, I'm not a moon boy. I love Bitcoin, I love cryptocurrency, but I try to be realistic because it's about my money, and I think you should be doing the same. But in case, right, in case that we get some kind of a bounce back, test this one, get some candle in here, and then boom, having a nice ride this way. This is the most amazing scenario. Or we can get some kind of a bounce in here, enter the channel, go sideways, and then test this line. Now you might be asking me, if you are new to the channel, you might be asking me why this line is so important, doctor. Well, I will tell you. Because this line is the line that I put in here, and I said, as soon as we get above this line, retest it, and it will be successfully retested, then I will get bullish, all in bullish on Bitcoin. And I will tell you the new all-time high will be coming, and 100,000 or whatever is your price prediction actually probably will come true. This is the line that it depends where it hits. When it hits, it's currently, if we go, for example, there will be a right candle like this, it would be about 57,000, right? But that is not going to happen, at least now. Let's look at the ribbon. Ribbon was quite important. If you were following, also I was mentioning ribbon, but in the daily. Ribbon on the daily, actually we are above it, which is a good thing. And during the run to the upside, we were testing it successfully, getting bounce, testing it successfully, getting bounce. And here also we tested it a couple of days ago when we just broke out of the channel, and it was successfully again, getting bounce, was going up. But now what's happening, we are actually far from the first line of this ribbon, which is the moving average and 20-day close. And it's actually at the moment is 48,600. If we were, let's say we come all the way back in here, it's still, we can say it's healthy. Bulls can still stay bullish and say that we are, even if we go all the way until middle of this all moving averages or down in here, still we cannot say that we are falling into the bear market, even though if I say we are, because I'm trying to look in the broadest I can. We have to look at the market and see what's happening, because when you have such a rejection in here, it could mean a lot, right? Because if you look at in here, we had some kind of the same, it was the same scenario, that we were going like this. This is not good. We were going just like this, turning, and then we plunged into the bear market. What about if this one also be the same, right? So we have to be cautious, and we have to trade very much carefully. So that was also about the ribbon I wanted to bring to your attention. And let's look at the RSI, of course, on the daily, because for me RSI is looking very interesting on the daily. I want to bring to your attention, and if you are subscribed to the channel and if you have followed my video, you know what I'm doing on this RSI, and what was very much I was taking care of this RSI in the matter of here. Let's put it this way, and then just to completely showing this triangle to you on the RSI, which is very important. Okay, so we fall out of this triangle, which was a bearish scenario, but luckily we got back into it, right? And I told you in my previous videos that as soon as we are back into the triangle, Bitcoin doesn't have so much of time to decide which direction it want to go. Either it will just smash through it, go to the upside, and finish us with all this bearish divergence that we have had since the beginning of this 28,000 pump. Or then if it comes, and has to decide, if it comes and fail again to stay, go above it, then probably I think it's gonna be a bearish scenario that short will be happy with it. About my trade, what I'm doing, well, I closed all of my trade on profit on some altcoins, because the situation is not looking so much nice for me. If we manage to just smash and go up, then no problem. You shouldn't just lose money on the trading. Of course, I have my holding. That's the holding. I posted some videos regarding some altcoins, and those are for some longer time play. We see what happens to the markets, but you should be cautious, because when we are going up, it's going a little bit slower, and when it wanna just come down, you know how it's gonna look at this. So coming down in Bitcoin market is a little bit easier than going up, so you should be cautious in that matter. And let's take a look at the DXY. What's happening with the DXY is actually DXY is taking and having some bounce back in here. Look at it. This is the 4 hours. And of course it was looking very ugly, DXY, in the past days. It was just falling, And as you know, in the weekends, so DXY doesn't have so much action. All of the markets are closed except Bitcoin cryptocurrency is open. And here you see, for example, we were falling, but of course you have to consider some bounces back. It cannot just keep falling forever, right? And here I put this box down in here, so it's, I believe it's valid as an area that could potentially support, give support the XI. And as you see, it's supported. We are going up. Of course, we will retest also this kind of a box that also we had some, but we'll see. I think the XL will be doing at least during this week. So, and if it's ready to do a little bit better, then for Bitcoin cryptocurrency market, we cannot see a lot of, good news, to be honest with you guys. We'll see what's gonna happen with this daily candle. It's quite important and we'll decide later. I will keep you updated, guys, so please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. And also my Twitter link is down below, so you can follow me in Twitter. Of course, we can talk in the comments, share ideas and all this. And guys, I also want to share with you, if you look at, this top in here, right? We had always before some kind of top, we had a big daily candle close green, and then we had some kind of bear scenarios. You see this? So yeah, that's why honestly I'm also paying attention to this now, that we had some nice green candle and we have this red one starting. So we will see what's gonna happen, but we have to be cautious. We cannot just say that it's a retest of the box and we're gonna keep going up. No, if you of course remove this line in here, then yeah, you don't see anything. You say, oh, what a beautiful support, and we are just gonna go up. No guys, that's why you have to consider a lot of things in trading, guys. Okay, so I think that was all I got. Not much is happening, other than this kind of rejection we have had, that actually we are $500 only far from it. It could get much more far, or it can get closer and actually break it, and we'll see what happens next. Remember, volume is also declined. If you look at the volume since the beginning, that's why bears are trying to short bear. I'm not bearish in overall, I'm not bullish in overall. I'm just trying to just go with the market, see the facts, be realistic, because when it comes to your money, you cannot blame anybody if you lose. And of course, here in this also video that I'm posting, nothing should be taken as a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are only my opinions that I'm letting you know, and I would expect you to also let me know about your opinions. You might save me from losing some money, I might do the same, so that's gonna be a great community we make it together. So we will moving it further, and we'll see how it's gonna go. Thank you guys for, once again, thank you for all who subscribe to the channel, who like the video, put the comment down below, and these are just helping YouTube algorithm with, so we can, this way we can expand our community and make it bigger and bigger. I really appreciate that. And if you new to the channel, again, once again, please hit that subscribe button, and I would really thank you for that. Guys, that was all I got. Let me know what you're doing with your position on the trading. I really like to know. And other than that, be blessed, have a good day. Doctor out.